So, sir, if we look like a decade back or like 5 to 7 years back, there were no concept of internships. There were the concepts of on-the-job trainings. So, how these internships differ from on-the-job trainings and, or we can say, research programs?
On the job trainings is more towards gaining knowledge, right? So
Okay.
gaining knowledge in a particular field where you have already decided what you have to do. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
internship is not like that. Okay. Internship is something where you are experimenting, where you want to learn something and contribute something to the organization. That's what internship plays. Research and training is more towards knowledge gaining, knowledge sharing, those
Mm-hmm.
kind of things where it might suit most of to your academic submission and other stuff. Okay, where you do projects, research, collect some
Uh-huh.
questionnaire, all that. But practical part might be missing because here in research and all that, you yourself has to do everything.
Exactly.
Okay, the
Okay.
it may not be paid also. Okay, so you'll have to involve in a lot of other aspects. And on
Yes.
the job training, it is again mostly suitable for people who joined an organization, and during that process they are learning something on the technology or process or something like that. Okay, internship is a very short time notice period of working aspect in a corporate place where you experiment things, understanding the things, networking with the people, and best part is paid or unpaid. So I would suggest either it is paid or unpaid, you should go for it because it's an experiment part where you don't have a pressure to execute things, or employer will not also expecting you to produce results. Okay,
Okay.
but in a
Mhm.
job or research or the on the job training, you are expected to do something. You will have a goal to achieve. Okay,
Mhm.
here there is no goal, there is no stress. Okay, so that is why like most of the people when they are going out of college, they are stammering during the interview because they don't have anything to talk. Okay,
Exactly.
but when you do 2 3 internship where you have worked for 3 months in 3 different organization, you will get to know what are the latest things, practical scenarios. You have lot many things to talk. Okay,
Mhm. Yes,
that's
sir.
that's the best part of an internship where you will get confidence while working practically. If you're looking for a one-to-one job counseling, connect with me with topmat.io/gskumar.